Well, folks, you know what time it is? Okay, folks, this on the left side right here, I run through with a coarse blade. This over here is the fine blade. I run it back through and run the fine blade through it. So look at the difference. Sure does look good. And that's the Gander Mountain meat grinder. It's a 1/4 horsepower, heavy duty meat grinder. Okay, folks, what we ended up with was 6 about 2-pound vacuum sealed bags of burger, and I think I got about 4 or 5 pounds of jerky strips. I've got it in the refrigerator. And what I did this with was I used my Gander Mountain heavy duty 1/4 horsepower electric meat grinder. It's a pretty nice little outfit for the money. And then I used my Ziploc vacuum sealer system. Use these little 6x10 bags for the burger. I've got some bigger bags here that I'm going to use for the steaks. So we got 2 shoulders left, both back straps we've got to do. So not too bad. The way I look at it, at meat prices today, you go to the grocery store and you pay about $3 or $4 a pound, maybe even more than that. I'm not even sure. For beef, this dough's going to come in handy. Cold winter months hit. It's already December, and we got January and February and part of March to go. So we're thankful. We're so thankful. But if you want an inexpensive meat grinder, that Gander Mountain 1/4 horsepower electric grinder does pretty good. Just have to make sure there's not any sinew in your meat. And then this little vacuum sealer, it's pretty good. It's not the best in the world, but it does all right. So there you go. That's the dough that I got the other day.